Buy gold in Moomoo. Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how to buy gold in Moomoo. So let's get started. Here are a few simple steps to follow. First, download the Moomoo application and complete the account registration process, or simply log in if you already have an account. Next, transfer funds from your bank account into your Moomoo brokerage account so you are ready to invest. In the Moomoo application, go to Market section, then select ETFs and choose Thematic ETFs. Here, look for the Gold ETF category. Browse through the available gold ETFs such as GLD, IAU, or SGOL and tap the one you are interested in to view its details. Now tap the trade button and enter the number of shares you want to buy. Select your order type, review all the order information carefully, and then confirm your purchase. Always remember to do your market research, manage your risk, and monitor your investment regularly. And that's all. It's a simple way to buy gold in Moomoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.